Hey everyone, Christy with Anchor Live 5. Thanks for stopping by and joining me today. I am so excited. I just got home and this was waiting for me. It is the Happy Planner and Amy Tangerine Happy Box. I just ordered it on Monday when they went on sale, and here it is Wednesday and it is here. So I wanted to share it with you all. It came with a cute sticker right there that says the Happy Planner and Amy Tangerine. Open here. So let's open this beauty up. Oh, now from my understanding, they only do happy boxes very rarely. So when I heard that they were having one, I knew I was going to get it no matter what was in it. But then when I heard that they were partnering with Amy Tangerine, I knew that I had to have it because I absolutely adore Amy Tangerine. So I'm trying not to hit my camera here. Open up. And look how pretty. Look how pretty it is. It said happiness looks good on you, and it's got the beautiful tissue paper that everyone has been talking about. And I really, oh, it's not gonna happen, guys. It's not gonna happen. Okay, well, of course I'm gonna save the sticker, and I'm gonna save as much of the tissue paper as I can. So, beautiful rainbow tissue paper. And look at this. Absolutely gorgeous. Alright, so I'm going to take everything out first, and then we will go through all of it. And, oh, it was such a good deal. It was $49.95. And then they had a 20% off your entire purchase. So even with the 20% off and the shipping, I still paid less than the $49.95. So, incredible deal. So the first thing we have is this beautiful bag. And when they were talking about the quality of the bag, they were not lying. This is a nice heavy-duty canvas bag. It's got the long straps on it, which is perfect. And I was wondering if those were pockets or not. But it says, create beautiful things that bring joy and happiness. And I think we all strive to do that. And me and my big ideas tag. Plan a happy life, the Happy Planner and Amy Tangerine. And lots of space in there. So a perfect planner bag. And then we've got some washi. We got 3 washies. So the first one is this beautiful rainbow. Excuse me. And then you've got the black with the white stars on it. And this one says, inspire, dream, create. Beautiful. And the thin washi, which is perfect for all of your happy planners. And then here is, I guess I should have looked at this first. Be Happy Box with happy things included. So this just tells you everything that you've got in your box. So you've got your 20 classic filler sheets, your spiral bound desk calendar, your 3 rolls of washi, 10 sticker sheets, 12-month classic happy planner, a dashboard, your carry-all, and your adhesive phone holder. So show us what you do with your Be Happy box. Share using these hashtags. Oh, I will, trust me. So here is the pop socket, and it says smile. And that's a 3M, so you know this is going to be a good quality pop socket. And then here are the stickers, excuse me. So this is the Be Happy Box sticker set. And we can flip through these. Absolutely gorgeous. Always practice reckless optimism and kindness. Together's my favorite place to be. Create beautiful things that bring joy and happiness. And then I love these, like with the color swatches, so you can write in them. Choose the things that delight you. Every day may not be good, but here is something good in every day. But hope something good is in every day. There we go. So these are clear, and then these are like the paper stickers. And here you've got the paper stickers that fit into your classic box. You've got more inspiration is all around us if we are willing to look for it. And then these are more clear stickers with the swatches. It says start now, get it done, big plans now, happy later, XOXO, hello, today, make stuff happen. And here's some more clear ones. Today I choose calm over chaos, serenity over stress, peace over perfection, grace over grit, faith over fear. That is awesome. Awesome. Sorry, I'm just reading them. Absolutely beautiful. I'm going to make everything around me beautiful. That will be my life. Oh, these are so gorgeous. And you got your days of the week, your numbers. I love the numbers. And then here you've got some more paper stickers to do. You've got your washi strips. Today, write it down. And some clear stickers. Very, very, very cute. Then we have our filler paper right here, and I love this when Stephanie was showing it on their Instagram feed, because half of it is big ideas and the other half is the graph paper. And on the back, remember this. So you could totally even cut this in half and punch right here and have double the paper. But this is great. And I think they said it was 20 sheets, something like that. And here you've got a dashboard. Gratitude turns what we have into enough. Oh, that is beautiful, beautiful. Love it. I love the writing. Oh. And then this is a desk calendar. Craft a life you love. So you've got your 2019, and then it starts in July, and it sits up like that on your desk. So we've got July, and this is awesome. It says happy, 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 because I have 2 of my kids' birthdays are in July. So, and then August, make a dream. Oh, make, do, dream, create, share, thrive, grow, believe, love, connect, live, give, heal, and go. September, inspiration is all around us if we are willing to look for it. October, do all you can do, be all that means you can, in all the ways you can, in all the places you can, at all the times you can, to all the people you can, as long as you can. Wow. That's inspiring. Plan a happy life. Create beautiful things that bring you joy. And then you got 2020. And it just goes on and on and on. I love the sayings on all of these. So I can't decide if I want to take that to work or if I want to keep it here at home. And then the showpiece. Here is the classic planner. You've got your rainbow rings, your pinks, reds, kind of a salmon, yellow, green, blues, and lilacs. Make a dream, create, make, do, dream, create, share, thrive, grow, believe, love, connect, live, give, heal, and go. And then we've got our Hello, bonjour, hola, ni hao, oh, hola, ciao. Beautiful. And I love the bright, colorful. You got your 2019, your 2020, and this is absolutely fantastic because I can put down birthdays. I can go ahead and rewrite or write down important days. So this is great for some pre-planning for sure. I love that. And then here is your little dashboard with July, what you're currently reading, watching, loving, eating, drinking, focusing, creating, important days to remember. And then you've got your monthly layout. And then you've got your weeks. Oh, I am just absolutely adoring this. So let's go to August. So there's August. September, focus on the bright side of life. October. November. Oh, there it is. I was like, where is it? December. And January. February. March. April. May. And June. Absolutely great. And you've got your notes back here. I am so glad that I got this, and for it to come in 3 days after ordering is absolutely miraculous. So thank you to the Happy Planner, and thank you to Amy Tangerine for creating such a beautiful, beautiful set. I have to decide what I am going to use it for, what area of my life I want to use this particular planner for, but I know whatever I do, it will be phenomenal. So thank you all for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, bye guys.